Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a curry chicken salad. Doesn't that sound good? And we're going to make it with the mayonnaise, the homemade mayonnaise that we made on Wednesday. So if you haven't seen that video, go back and watch it. I'll leave a link in the description below. But this is homemade mayonnaise. I like chicken salad, but I love curry chicken salad. It is just so flavorful with the chutney and the curry powder. It just brings out such a delicious flavor. The cool thing today is that I'm going to be using scallions that I've grown myself, as well as lettuce that I grew. There's just something about growing your own food. It just makes everything taste so much better. Let's get the sauce ready for our chicken. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to measure out this mayonnaise that we made the other day. We need 3/4 of a cup. So I have a half cup here and a 1/4 cup. And we're going to be putting all of this in a food processor so that everything gets blended nicely. To our mayonnaise, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of chutney. This is a mango ginger chutney, or sometimes people use what's called major gray, which is fine. This is 1.5 tablespoons of curry powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and we have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And we're just going to blend this until everything comes together. Let's give it a taste and see if we need to adjust anything. It's good, but it could use some more curry powder. So I'm going to add another teaspoon. We'll see. All right, let's see where we're at now. Now we're talking. Now let's get our sauce into a bowl while we get the rest of our ingredients ready. So these are the scallions that you saw me pulling earlier from my garden, and I've cleaned them up, obviously. And I'm going to cut these into somewhat of a small dice. I'm using the white parts and the green parts. I usually have all my ingredients already cut up, but I don't know. I just wanted to save my scallions until last, since I grew them myself. All right, that looks good. To a large bowl, I have 2 cooked chicken breasts. And you can see I've cut it into pretty big chunks. I like a chunky salad, chicken salad, not like something that's all processed and blended together so you have this mush. Yeah, I don't like that. I like it chunky. So to this, let's add our scallions that we just cut up. And we have a half cup of celery. And so this dice, you know, it's like that. It's a small dice. And we have a 1/4 cup of raisins. Now these are golden raisins. It's all I had. Either the dark raisins or the golden raisins are fine. To that, let's add our sauce, our curry sauce. I'm only going to add enough to combine it. I don't want it slopped on so that it's overbearing. So let's just see where we are with this. I think I'm just going to add a little teeny bit more. And I'm saving the rest because sometimes when you have your chicken salad or curry chicken salad in the refrigerator, it may need a little bit more after it's been in there for a day. This is perfect. And here's the lettuce that we picked. I cleaned that up well too. Take that off. But there we go. Look at that. Look how leafy that is. I love leafy lettuce like this. So let's go ahead and plate this salad up. I think this looks beautiful. Maybe I'm biased, but let's try it. The curry really comes through, the chutney and the raisins, and the celery gives it a really nice crunch. Very flavorful. I think we have a winner here. Thanks for joining me today, everyone, as we made our curry chicken salad. I hope you like curry as much as I do. This salad is just so flavorful. It's perfect for the spring and summer months. So I hope you try it. And if you do, let me know. I'd love to see how it comes out for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any videos. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day.